Oh, okay. Record it, right? Okay, okay, okay. I just record it. 1 second. I'll just repeat it one more time. Sorry, it is my fault. Murugan Money. Okay, good, Murugan. So let me do one thing. I'll just cancel it. Okay. So look here. We have an option called folder connection. I just click on the folder. Look here. I just click on more. Click on the file, and then here's something called folder. Click on connect. And here I just paste that folder name. The advantage of using the folder connection is supposing you have 10 or 20 files are there in this folder. Not only you have 10 files or 20 files are available in this folder also has subfolders, and those subfolders also has files in it. If you wanted to read all the files and the including the subfolders files in one go, the folder option is very much helpful. The connector the folder connector option is very much helpful. You just need to specify your main folder name. Click on OK. Look here. So in this folder, main folder nc daily sales, we have a file called feb.csv that is available here in this main folder. And then we have a subfolder that is available in this main folder called IPR. Even that file also got displayed here. Main folder file and subfolder file also got picked up automatically. And I have an option now, right? Just beneath this, if you see here, combine, load, transform data. So what I do is, instead of using combine, I just simply click on load. Okay, 2 times I did it. Okay, that's the confusion. Let me do it. I just remove it. Okay, let it be there. I don't want to mess up now. So I just load it. Look here, I just expand this one. I can see some meaning. So this is something like metadata. It is not showing the actual file's column name and all. Okay. So what I do is, now I just go and do the transformation. So click on the transform data. I just go to the Power Query editor. Now what I do is, I just click on the NC daily sales 2. Here I can see the file name and when the file got accessed, the file extension, all these informations are displayed here. I don't need all these crap. What I do is accept these 2 columns. For example, I just select these 2 columns. Look here, one beauty of Power Query Editor. So I don't need other columns. I want to remove it. Select, I need only these 2 columns. You just place the cursor somewhere here, right click on it, click on the remove other columns. Look here, all the other columns got removed in one go. Instead of going to each and every column, selecting and deleting, it will take longer time. Select whichever column that you needed, right click on it, click on the remove other column, it got removed. Okay. So now we have only 2 columns. Look here, in the content column, you'll find the icon, something like this, double down arrow. This is nothing but combine files. I just click on it once. Boom. So it got loaded here. Okay. It shows the delimiters, first 20 rows, 200 rows, it shows. Fine. The sample file name is first file, something else. I just click on OK here. And we have something called skip files with errors. At this moment, we'll ignore this one. I'll just click on OK. Now Feb and March file will get combined together. Both the data got loaded here. Both the files data got combined, or both the files got combined into a single thing. So now what I do is, so to check this, okay, how do I make sure that whether the March and Feb data got combined together? How do I check that? So this is the March file, and this is the the February file. Feb and March data. How we can make sure it got combined? You need to click on the transform icon or the ribbon. and click on the count rows. 3,343. Okay, fine. So now what it is, I go back to applied steps. Here, I just undo this one. Okay, because I don't want this step. Now I noted down 3343. I just close it. So the next step is what I do is the simple way of doing is you just go to the one approach. Okay, I know very well the March file has less number of data in it. I just open it. We have in March file, we have just 19 records. Forget about the column header. So if you exclude the column header, only you have 18 records. 18 minus 3343, how much? Yeah, 1 second. The connectivity mode, 1 second. I will just finish it up, okay? What I will do is I will just go here. This is 18 records, right? So we have 3343, and I will just show you here. Calculator is not opening here. Okay, 3343 minus 18 records. You have 3325, right? 3325. And if I, let me just do one thing. If I click on the source and if I, let me do one thing. If I select only the Feb file, right? And here, ideally I should have used some other file. That file doesn't have much records. So that, okay, so there is a, 1 second, let me just, it got messed up everything. Okay, 1 second. So here, yeah, you have feb.csv, right? Okay, let me just select the, yeah, feb.csv only got selected. Okay, now if I go to the transform and then click on the count, 3325, 3325, and plus how much in the 18, right? 3325 plus 18 is 3343. Now we are able to make sure that, so we have in total 3343 records, both the months put together. This is how you can validate it, right? You can verify it. Fine. Now we are able to verify how many number of records got loaded in this one. So now we make sure that both the files got combined successfully, right? So for the next step is you just click on close and apply. That's it. So only thing is, right, when you, what is the prerequisite for using the folder connection? All the files that are there in your folder, including the subfolder, should have the same file extension, and the order of the column should be there same. For example, you have column 1, column 2, column 3 is there in first file. All the 20 files should also have the column 1, column 2, column 3 order. If there is a change in the order, then it will cause some problem. And the data type should also be same in all the files. Okay, the file extension should be same, and the column order should be same. The data type should also be same. Hope you remember this, right? I just repeated it more than once since a few of you requested it. Okay, so next week, what we will do is with this, I'm going to wrap up now. Okay, we have started by, okay. So with this, I'm going to wrap up now. We have some other call also, some production issues are going on. So next weekend, we will speed it up a little bit. I'll just share the video. Please watch my video without fail and practice it. And next weekend, we will circle back. Okay, the Saturday, Sunday, same time. The meeting invite will remain as it is. Okay, you watch it and see next weekend onwards. I will speed it up. Okay, I will speed up. We will take a look at the different type of connectivity mode, and we will compare and contrast the. And because many of the people today they took leave, that is also the reason why I just revisited whatever I covered a little ago. Okay, fine, guys. You have any questions so far? Okay, what I will do is because I have some other calls, no office calls, I'm going to wrap up the session now, and we will circle back tomorrow. We'll upload the video, little later, and we'll share the link, everything to you all. Yeah, sure, Murugan. We'll help you sometime tomorrow. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, fine. Thanks. Good night.